All right, there's my neighbor Pat's truck. She's collecting some brush for me. She wants to help out, which I really appreciate. It's really awesome. We found this old building, not in terrible shape. This side's about to fall down. The roof and all the other three walls are all pretty good shape. Probably will be storage. Probably end up lining it with pallets as a temporary floor to be able to put supplies and stuff, anything we want to keep out of the weather. Look what I just found. Oh, I think somebody's missing that. Ooh, that's pretty nice actually. Yeah, I just found that up on a shelf. Bet you somebody's gonna be looking for that. Wow. All right, little treasures along the way. You can see there's old feeding trough. I bet you there's a horse or cow or something in here. I got that all cleared out today on that side, just a little bit on this side, all with a weed eater that has a metal blade on it. All right, what else we got? This was discovered. It took us about a week and a half to close on this. There's one more building up here. Probably won't show you that quite yet. And then we found this one too. Old chicken coop. Let's go inside. I don't know if you're able to see in here. No, it's getting too dark. You can see where there were some old roosting beds in there. So we'll discover a little bit more with that and maybe have some chickens or have a shelter for them. Just gotta make a yard. All right. So one more thing that I'm doing today. Nice thing up here farther north is that the days are longer. So I've been working out here for almost 3 hours now, and I've got a lot to do. All this is gonna be brush hogged before we decide to plant or plan the place where the house is gonna be, and then to that tree line over there. So it's about almost 2 acres. Actually, that's only about 1.25 acres, acre and a half that's open like this. A couple big trees. And then we have about a half acre in the woods back here. I'll show you that another time. The magic of this place is phenomenal. We'll take you on a tour of some of the really magical places pretty soon. But this is the next piece. Pretty sure there's an old house site here. There's a piece of cement right down here. Right about there. And I'm standing on top of an old well. So I'm going to switch this around to the other view on the camera, and I'm going to drop a line to see how deep to the top of the water. Gives me an idea of where the water table is on this land, or at least this part of land. And then I'm also going to drop it even further, all the way down, see how deep the whole well is. Hopefully it doesn't take my whole 500 feet. I doubt that. Probably in the 20 to 50 feet range is my guess. All right, let's see you on the side.